Hello everyone, this video will demonstrate you the methods to assemble your cable for your home gym stations. So just in case in future you might need to replace your cable for your home gym station. So for this set of X-Core home gym station, there are 3 required cables. Okay, the first cable is labeled as cable number 4 with the length of 428 cm. The second cable 5 with 280 cm length, and the third cable 6 with 365 centimeters length. So I'm going to start with the first cable number 4. So the cable number 4 is attached to the top of the pull-out bar of the gym station. So as you can see over here, the first cable 4 is attached to the top of a gym station with the first pulley above it. Then it leads into the second pulley, and the third pulley will be the one exactly above the chest press bar. Then it goes to the fourth pulley, which is exactly above the seat, and the sixth pulley to the seventh pulley, and lastly it goes straight and tight to the weight stack. This is the first cable for the gym station. The second cable is attached to the chest bar, to the chest press bar. So as you can see, the second cable 5, is attached over here. Okay. It will be linked to the first pulley, then second pulley at the bottom, then it goes up again to the third pulley, and lastly it ends on the other side of the chest press station. Okay, as for the third cable, it starts at the bottom. Then this is the third cable. The first pulley will be there. This cable goes to the second pulley. The third goes up to the fourth. Goes up, goes down to the fifth, goes up to the sixth, and lastly it ends at the bottom, at the base of the gym station.